Hey, what's up? Thanks for tuning in to Throttle MC. It's your boy Hot, and you should already know I'm back whooping up banger. Alright, so we're gonna do a house tour. Whoa! So this is the living room. Let's turn the TV down. You don't want no copyright, you know what I'm saying? No copyright. Alright, so this is the living room. This is the front door where you come in. Alright. This is the dining room. Everyone's eating, or just finished eating. This is the grandma room.
Who's
the cameraman?
I am the cameraman. So we have a water dispenser. They're getting the water. This is the kitchen. Whoa! Look at this kitchen. So this room here, which is in the kitchen, is originally the maid's room. Okay, it's originally the maid's room, but I'm gonna remodel this. Not this month, because I ain't gonna hold you. Took my whole check to get to the house, so brother kind of broke right now. But we're gonna remodel this and make this my office, okay? So it's not the maid's room anymore. It's gonna be my office where I edit, the YouTube videos and all that jazz. This is the bathroom. I don't think no one's in there. Okay, good. Hold on. Turn on the lights. There we go. Bathroom. Yeah. Okay. The fuck is that on the wall? Oh, it's a nail. There was a bug. I was about to get the bug spray and get the killing. I don't slice the bugs. I don't slice it. We don't slice the bugs. All right. So I don't know what to call this part, but it's like this big freaking hall space. That's another way to come in the house, and then there's like this big area right here. I already started putting stuff that was in the maid's room over here. There's a lot of stuff in that maid's room, you know what I'm saying? And then over here, looking for a light switch. This is day one. I don't know where everything is yet, you know what I'm saying? Oh, light switch is over there on the wall. Okay, so let's get to this light switch. All right. So this is the other second kitchen. So we got the regular stove over here. You know what I'm saying? All right. Out this door leads to this like little backyard thing. I'm not gonna show you now because it's dark. But it's like a little backyard thing, and there you could wash clothes because it has a washing machine, which is awesome. Okay. So not all the lights, not raise that light bill, you know what I'm saying? That door is like really hard to close, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's the first level. Let's go to the second level. So you go up these stairs. They go around in a circle, which is cool. It's cool. Nice fancy staircase, you know what I'm saying? I'm very tired because, like I said, this is day one. I did a 2-hour ride on my motorcycle, which I hope y'all seen that video. It's definitely up before this one. This is my daughter's room. Daughter room, big ass bear. Got the AC. You know what I'm saying? Got the big ass closet. So yeah, this is my daughter's room. I got a room switch. I gotta buy a bed for this room, obviously. But she's only 4 months. I mean, we have time. This is my brother's room. This is the room him and his wife is staying at. Got a big bed there. He's still in America working. So she got the AC up there blasting, keeping it cool up in there. Okay. This is the bathroom on this floor. Light switches on the wall here, and boom. Okay, let's close that. Then this is me and my wife's bedroom. Let's put on the big light. There we go. So this is our room here. Okay, got the AC on deck, of course. We're in the city now, hot out here, cause you know in Lake Cebu. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Okay, let me get the bug spray. You know what I'm saying? I can't. Don't like no bugs. Don't like no bugs. Get the purifying. You know what I'm saying? Get the purifying while my wife and daughter's not out. You know, up here. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get the spray. All right. So this door here. Oh, I have it locked. Hold on. This door here leads to the balcony, and this is why I said it don't make no sense to show you the downstairs, because is there a light out there? Oh yeah, there's a light. It don't make no sense to show you the downstairs because it's dark as fuck. I don't know if there's a light out there, but there's a light on this porch, which is cool. So it's a nice view. It's even better in the daylight. So like I said, you know, day one, we're gonna definitely make some videos on that porch. You know what I'm saying? Turn out the light. And what? No, we're not finished yet. Yes, you did see it. I did bring the little mini fridge. You know what I'm saying? Gotta bring a little mini fridge. And then yes, we have a bathroom and the room here. Just the bathroom here. All right. They're pretty much all the same. They're all the same. So that's the whole house, you know. So it's a 5-bedroom house, 3 bathrooms. I think I heard my daughter yelling and screaming down there. I guess I should go down there and be a good father and give a hand, right? You know, help out and do my job, you know what I'm saying? So, hope y'all enjoyed this little walkthrough. We got better internet on deck. So, we're definitely going to be posting videos more often. I know I wasn't posting videos too much because yo, in Lake Cebu, the internet was so bad. So bad, bruh.
Daddy.
So bad, bruh. Okay, my wife got the door. She's good. Oh, got the ladies taking care of the kitchen.
Yes.
Say hi, ladies.
Hi. Hello.
So, right here is the speed test I did when I was in Lake Cebu, our house over there, and you see it's crap. So right now is a speed test I did here. Big world of difference. So now you understand why I wasn't posting too much over here, because I mean not over here, over there, because you couldn't. Oh, me cold. I heard you fussing all the way upstairs, and then you're gonna start fussing now. She don't like me. I'm the mean parent. So yeah, we're gonna be posting way more now. Probably literally every day. I'm not gonna hold you. And then we have a pool. We have a big ass pool over here too, bro. So you know, as you see, it's nighttime right now. So probably tomorrow I'll go over there by the pool and you know, record for y'all. But right now, this is just the tour. This is just the walkthrough. This is just the introduction of the new house, new environment. You know what I'm saying? It is rent to own right now. So we're paying 40,000 pesos a month, and it's split between me and my brother, because he works back and forth, you know, between America and here. So, you know, we got his wife here, you know, so we're just one big ass family. She's actually the cousin of my wife. So fam up in here, you know what I'm saying? So thanks for tuning in. At this time, you should have already. But if you didn't, I'm just gonna remind you. Like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. So you know the next time I upload a video, that's right, you don't miss it. and share. With that hot out. Deuces.